Hello, I'm Chris Elsden. I'm a researcher in design informatics at the University of Edinburgh. Running a workshop has become a stock approach for many HCI and design researchers. This provocation is about reflecting on our experiences of running, attending and reporting on many such workshops over several years. Have you ever run a workshop and thought, I guess that went okay, but what do we do now? Or perhaps you propose to run a series of workshops with stakeholders without really being sure this is actually the best way to engage with your participants. Have you ever worried about how to appropriately document and record what happens during a workshop? Or perhaps like us, you've struggled to turn hundreds of scribbled post-it notes into credible and manageable research data. In this provocation, we intend to create a space to think more carefully about how and why we run workshops, how we could use them more effectively in research and design practices, and how we could do a better job of articulating and reporting what actually happens during workshops. We hope you enjoy our provocation. Thanks very much.